0.07 multiplied 0.28 divided by 0.02 plus 0.48 minus 2.48 divided 0.04. So this is a order of operations question where we follow the BODMAS rule. B for bracket, O for orders, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and then S for subtraction. So first we have to do the division. Now here we have two operations of division and both are in decimal. To solve the division of decimals, we can follow two approaches. The first approach is fraction approach, where we convert the decimals into fractions. So 0.28, when you remove the decimal, you remove decimal and you write 1 and then count the digits and write the zeros for the number of digits. So 0.28 is 28 upon 100 divided 0.02, remove the decimal, it becomes 2 upon 100. Now it is a division of fractions. In division of fractions, we convert division into multiplication and the number after the symbol of division becomes inversed. So this fraction will get inverse, that means 100 will become your numerator and 2 will become your denominator. Simply A upon B divided C upon D becomes A upon B multiplied D upon C. So this is how fraction approach works. Another approach is long division method, where you convert the divisor into a whole number. So if you have to divide 0.28 by 0.02, you convert 0.02 into a whole number. For that, you have to shift the decimal to the right and keep shifting until it becomes a whole number. So to make 2 as a whole number, we have to shift decimal 2 points. When you shift decimal to 2 points, you write 2 zeros here. And when you are shifting decimals from the divisor, you have to do the same with the dividend also. So you have to shift 2 decimals here also. So it means 28 will become 28.00. Now you can easily divide 28 by 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. So 14 is your answer. Here also 100 gets cancelled and 2 times 14 is 28. So you can either follow any of the approach. Fraction approach will be easier because you won't have to calculate separately. Now let's solve it using fraction approach. So 0.07 multiplied 28 upon 100 multiplied 100 upon 2 plus 0.48 minus 248 upon 100. We remove the decimal and put 100 below, multiplied 100 by 4. 0.04 is 4 upon 100, it becomes 100 by 4. 100 cancelled, 4 times 6 is 24 and 4 times 2 is 8. So 62. Here also 100 cancelled and 2 times 14 is 28. Now we can write 0.07 multiplied 14 plus 0.48 minus 62. Now here we have multiplication first, so we will do multiplication. After division in BODMAS we need to do multiplication. This is multiplication of decimals. We simply multiply the two numbers. 14 times 7 is 98 and then count the number of digits after decimal, and these are 2 digits. So put the decimal before 2 digits. So it is 0.98 plus 0.48 minus 62. Now do the addition. 0.98 plus 0.48, 8 is 16, 1 carry over and 10 plus 4 is 14. So it is 1.46. Now 1.46 minus 62. You have to subtract 1.46 from 62.00. This is how you subtract in decimals. 1 carry over from 2, it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. This one becomes 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is now 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and this is 6. 60.54. 60.54. Now the larger number has the negative sign, so the answer will also have a negative sign. So your answer is minus 60.54. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.